Bon dia, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Maputo Mallu. Day 4 or Kotru. It's almost like 5:30 in the morning. I just woke up early and I thought to show you this place. Yesterday I was not able to show the place. This is in front of that's the place where I stay. Yeah, over there. But I'll go to the entrance right over there and I'll start filming from there. I'll show you my room. It's pretty good. I know that you have seen the room yesterday, but it was not that clear and it was night. But the night view and the day view will be different, right? So I'll just show you the day view. And I'm a little tired, clumsy, because like I slept late and I woke up early. Today also I'll have to go to work. By evening I'll get free. After that I'll show you the place, what all things we do over here, everything. But let's get started. So fam, the place starts from here. This is the entrance. And as you can see directly, beach is in front and it's blue waters. In Vilankulas it was green water, over here it's blue water. I'll do justification, I'll not do color grading for these videos because I don't want to spoil it. They have a small boat over here, it's a showpiece. Trees, this is how the way is. Yesterday night you have seen the same place, but it was not that clear. Yeah, I think there should be some more lighting, but it's fine. I'll increase the brightness slightly when I edit. This is the place. The beach is directly in front. This is Tofo Beach. This is the place where I'm staying. In the night, this is amazing. The dinner was also very good. I like the dinner. It's a bit expensive, but what to do? You don't have any other option, and that's the way it is. So this is the different houses, shacks, whatever you call. Yeah, this is how you get in. So that's my room where I stay. The view of my room from here, outside. Bon dia. Yeah. This is the front view what I get. That's my entrance to the room. I come out from here. I just take a right. I'll just go for a walk. I'll show you this place. Yeah, obrigado. As you can see, the water is so bluish. It's so clean. It's difficult to get a clean beach like this. In India, like I have never seen a beach so clean. Even an empty beach, there'll be trashes. So this is the place. Actually, the sun is from the other side, that's why it's not so clear. But it's fine. It's fine. There are separate cottages for you. If you're a couple, or if you're coming with your family, you'll get your privacy. Yeah. This is the place. It's like, come with your loved one over here, have a candlelight dinner or something, because they have steps right in front of this. You just get in, sit with your loved one. So it's not necessary that it should be your loved one. After marriage, like you don't have any other choice, so that will be your loved one. I'm just joking.
So this is where it all gets end. This is the next property. So I've returned free beer, free Wi-Fi and ice cold beer. So beer is not free. I'm all set for my job. Like as you can see, I'm in my formals. But before that, I'll go for the breakfast. So as you know, I just get down here, and my breakfast is already served. So this is what I get for the breakfast. There's like egg, tea, juice, coffee, everything is there. So I'll just start. So fam, as you can see, I'm just leaving for the work. Behind is the waters. It looks green, right? So I'm going for the work. I'll try to film. I don't think I'll be able to film. I'll film in the evening. If I get lucky, I'll come back early and I'll try to film, but I'm not pretty sure. Let's see. So fam, yesterday as I told you that we get good coconuts over here. So I was planning to take some 10 coconuts for Maputo so that I can give to my friends, colleagues who traveled here. So I'll go now. I'll take coconuts from there. It's only 10 Metikash coconut over here, so it's very cheap. In Maputo it's like 25 Metikash, so 10 Metikash is like pretty cheap.
Esse pode pôr ali na frente. Agora os outros 10, vai embora.
So fam, as we are traveling to Mashish, some of the important information about Mashish is that it's in Inyambani province and it's the largest town and it's the economic capital for Inyambani. All the purchases, all those things happen from Mashish, and the town is pretty decent as I showed you yesterday. So fam, I have come to Inyambani port over here. As you can see, this is the outside. Hi fam, I'm standing inside the Inyambani port. This port connects directly to Mashish. Mashish, it will take hardly 30 minutes for you to reach from this port. But the problem is you can't take your vehicle. Earlier vehicles were allowed, but you can't take vehicles right now. If you're going by road, it will take almost 1.5 to 2 hours. It's almost 70-75 kilometers from Inyambani to Mashish. But the port, it will take you hardly 15 to 20 minutes the other side. I'll show you. This is the place where they take tickets. I'll show you everything. As you can, this is the port of Inyambani, and this is how we go to the port. From here, you can easily reach Mashish in 15-20 minutes. This is the way. They have a cafe over here. You can sit next to the beach. water, 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 water everywhere. Boat arrived. That's the boat. There's a church facing towards the beach. This is where the tickets are taken, and this is the cost written over there. I'll just zoom it. So fam, from on the way to Tofo Beach, I stopped at a place. I saw something over here. What is it? The craft work. Yeah. And the craft work, they're making it in front of your eyes, and I'll show you how things are done, everything. It was looking so interesting that I had to stop the vehicle and I had to take this video. And the craft work for you from Inyambani on the way to Tofo, like hardly 2 kilometers from Inyambani. I'll show you this place. Fam, as you can see, it's a sunny day, but even then, like, they are working so hard. Committee Shama. Julius. See, so Julius is like working very hard, though it's like sunny. Oh, he speaks English. Oh, that's very good, very good, very good. What are you making?
I'm making
Fish. Okay, I'll show you the fish which he has made over there.
I'm making for you to see.
Okay, definitely, sure. What is your name, amigo?
Yes,
Joseph. His name is Joseph. As you can see, and I'll show you the works. I'll just show that, okay? So the fish, what he was saying is like this are the fishes. It's pretty beautiful. You need to just polish it lightly. Snails. Look at the snails. Beautifully done. This is the water bottle covers. Yes, you have a normal plastic bottle. They have hats over here. Fish again. And over here, there is lots and lots of work. They have bands. Fish bone. Only fish? What about the boat? Definitely, they have the boat also. You go in this boat, catch the fish, come back. It's a very sunny day, and even then these people are working so hard for this, for their earning. If anyone is traveling to anyone is traveling to Tofo Beach from Inyambani, stop at this place, help these people. So I'll continue with my travel again. Day 4. Fam, the climate is almost like 30 degrees Celsius here, and it's very humid. That's why, like, I'm not able to talk properly, I'm not able to smile, that energy is not there, like you get tired.
So fam, day 4 is getting over. The journey was pretty good. I have traveled to Vilankulus, which is like almost 700 kilometers. Then from Vilankulus I have come to Mashish. From Mashish to Inyambani, right now in front of Tofo Beach. The journey was pretty good. I liked it, and I hope you also like the videos. Finally, before wrapping up, like, I'll just go around the hotel, I'll show you the night view, all those things. Then after that, I'll just wrap up. Tomorrow morning around 3 AM I'm traveling back to Maputo. I don't know when I'll be doing the next video or when next shoot. Let's hope, let's see what happens. But till then, keep watching Maputo Mallu. So I'll just take you around and let's start.
So what I will do is like I'll just walk you around this ambience, this hotel, this view. It's night, so you'll not be able to see. I was sleeping, like I was very tired after the job, so I slept off. Or else I would have taken the sunset. I had the plan to take the time lapse for the sunset, but I really missed it. I slept off. What to do? This is the ambience. If you have a girlfriend, you can come here, sit in one of this place over here, have a sip of wine or something. You will really love it. And as I was showing you in the morning, like there's a place for candlelight dinner. This is the one. Yeah, that's the one. So cool, so peaceful. And there's a cold breeze around. That's the best part, like there's a cold breeze around. As you can see, the hotel's branding has been done over here. Casa na Praia. So if you see, come here, climb these steps, and the lighting, the ambience is so good. I don't know, like, I just love this place. You go straight, they have places for sitting. I don't know, beach is always like my favorite. There's a crab which is running around. I don't know whether you guys can see it or not. Crab over here, small one, of course. The view. What you see in front is the beach, but the sound what you hear is of the beach, the waves. This is where I stayed. Pretty decent, pretty good. The staffs are very friendly. This guy Jose is like very good, like whatever you want, you just go tell him, and he's like, he's having this smiling face always, so you feel like approaching him. It's very good. The view from the balcony is like this. That's like the beach and this restaurant. The restaurant looks pretty good in the night with this amazing lights.